The bilateral cooperation between Kenya and China that was formalized in December 1963 has covered a critical milestone, unleashing fruitful results for both sides, said Musalia Mudavadi, Kenya's Prime Cabinet Secretary and Minister for Foreign and Diaspora Affairs. This year marks the 60th anniversary of diplomatic relations between Kenya and China.
The level of engagement with China has been at the highest level. We have had relationships which are anchored at the head of state level, which means that that is a very significant message in terms of the partnership that our country has with China. Now, there are a number of programs, and one of the issues we really want to commend China for is the Belt and Road Initiative. We have seen tremendous steps in terms of partnership. In Kenya, for instance, we have benefited tremendously on matters of infrastructure. We look forward to having even more investors from China. And it's not just in Kenya, but also in the region. China is a big economy and growing economy. So if we want to improve the lot of our people, then it is necessary for us to engage very robustly with the people of China.